Hi, Julia. I guess I'm a little confused. I'm not sure where the problem is. So in it is the same PDF that I sent. So this is your scenario, and up here at the top, this is your map. So Yucatán is the city that you're looking at. The volcano is up here off towards the right, and that's what the map is showing. So on the map, you need to show how you would evacuate Yucatán, however you say that, Yucatán. In light of your particular, in light of the fact that there's going to be a gas eruption or there's going to be gas coming out of the volcano. So this bottom part here is just to kind of show you the elevation change and then where your city is at, and that there's this refinage or storage facility that's down here. But to show you that, so here's your volcano over here in the diagram part. Here's your volcano, looking at that this is at sea level, the top of your volcano is at 12,000 feet, showing you your wind direction. So this should help you to be able to make your evacuation plan. So you need to figure out how to evacuate Yucatán. You need to be able to show me where the area is that's going to be most in danger. You need to label that on your map, and then you need to label the routes of how you're going to get people out of your city and where you're going to send them to that'll be safe from the gas eruption.